Laminate or vinyl? What should I choose? Well, I've got the answers for you. We get a lot of homeowners that come to us confused about the difference between laminate flooring and vinyl flooring. So let's break down the advantages and disadvantages between the two so you can determine which option is best for you. Let's start off with laminate. Here's the advantages. Laminate is durable, easy to install, and is a versatile flooring option as it can be installed just about anywhere regardless of the base surface. Now, disadvantages: laminate can be susceptible to moisture. It's not easy to repair and is difficult to install by yourself without the help of a professional. On to vinyl. Here's the advantages. Vinyl is low maintenance, water resistant, and is an affordable flooring option. It is definitely an easy option for many people to go with. Disadvantages: well, vinyl is not biodegradable and is not easy to recycle. So vinyl is often found in landfills. That's not a good idea. Additionally, vinyl can cause the subfloor beneath it to wear down. Well, I hope with this information in mind, it will be easier for you to determine which option is best for you and your property. When you're ready to make a purchase, we invite you to visit your nearest flooring liquidators. Hey, we've got 13 locations across Southern Ontario to serve you better.